Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something exciting to share with you all. We're going to dive deep into the world of YouTube Shorts and discuss how you can create content that goes viral. If you're looking to boost your presence on the platform and catch the attention of millions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first few seconds of your short are crucial. You need to grab your viewers' attention right away. Use a catchy hook, an intriguing question, or a visually captivating shot to draw them in. In the world of YouTube Shorts, first impressions matter more than ever. The opening moments of your video can make or break its chances of going viral. When viewers scroll through their Shorts feed, they're bombarded with countless videos competing for their attention. If your video's beginning doesn't immediately pique their interest, they'll likely keep scrolling. This is why a strong start is essential. Consider starting with an attention-grabbing visual that's relevant to the content of your shorts. Whether it's a surprising shot, a bold text overlay, or a quick action, your opening should offer something visually intriguing that makes viewers pause. Spark curiosity by presenting a mystery or question that you'll answer later in the video. For example, you might begin with a statement like, "Ever wondered how this magic trick is done?" This compels viewers to keep watching to find the answer. The maximum duration for a YouTube short is 60 seconds. This limitation encourages creators to distill their content to its essence, eliminating any unnecessary fluff and ensuring every moment contributes meaningfully to the message. When viewers know a video is short, they're more likely to start watching immediately, knowing that it won't consume too much of their time. This is particularly important for grabbing their attention within the first few seconds. YouTube's algorithms often favor shorts that adhere to the under 60-second rule, making them more likely to appear in the Shorts feed and potentially reach a wider audience. Keeping your finger on the pulse of current trends is essential. Regularly check social media platforms, news, and pop culture sources to identify emerging trends and challenges. Choose trends that align with your content niche and values. Authenticity is key. Viewers can sense forced trend hopping, which may backfire. Engage with the trends community by using relevant hashtags, participating in challenges, and responding to comments. This increases discoverability. Trends that have been widely used might not have the same impact. Look for unique angles or trends that haven't been exhausted. This element of surprise can leave a lasting impact. End your short with a cliffhanger or teaser that leaves viewers wanting more. This can prompt them to engage with your content further. Prompt viewers to leave comments by asking open-ended questions or seeking their opinions. The more interaction your shorts receive, the more likely they are to gain visibility. Engaging with your audience should be an ongoing effort. Responding promptly and consistently can enhance the sense of community you're building. Consistency is key. Regular uploads create a sense of expectation among your audience. When viewers know when to anticipate your content, they are more likely to engage with it. YouTube's algorithm favors consistent content creators. Regular uploads signal to the algorithm that your channel is active and dedicated. As your content gains traction and visibility, your subscriber base is likely to grow. Consistency doesn't mean rigidly sticking to one format. It means adapting to trends and shifts in your niche while maintaining a reliable posting routine. Viral success might not happen overnight. Consistent effort, learning, and improvement over time are important to achieving long-term goals. Trends and strategies evolve, so staying adaptable is crucial. Try to implement the strategies discussed in the video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, remember, your journey to viral success has already begun.